And welcome to the fall collaboration and challenge hosted by DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon Creations for the 2022. You can find us under the hashtag J and C Fall 2022. I'm Darlene, and we are working on day 3 today, or week 3. This is the page we received from Cara Brandon, and if you're following along in the kit, it will be marked day 3, and this is the page that we're working with for DearJulieJulie, and it's both of them are very pretty. Oh, I've got this one upside down. So we've got some beautiful little images here and a beautiful collage page. So, okay, so I again am working on my, I'm just going to make sure I'm still in frame here. Okay. I'm not working this month at my normal filming table, so that's why I'm having to make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm working on my mini album, which is mainly for photos, and it's an autumn album, and so I did a complete 2-page spread for this. So I used Julie's Woodland Sounds song for this, and that's from her kit, and then I just added some different, this is also from her kit. So this comes, wondering if this is still in frame. No, it's not. Okay. Bring it back this way a bit. Okay, I'm gonna have the same problem when I turn it the other way though. Okay, so this comes out like this. There's a pocket here for adding more. Rather than ignoring the ladies that are in Cara's, I actually went with them and add more ladies. Okay, so this is part of Julie's and Julie's, and then this is where I really start working with. This is really annoying, trying to make sure I'm still in frame. Okay. It's really hard to tell the way it is on the stand. So this is from Cara's, and this is from Cara's, and then I added some of Julie's elements to it. This is just a little, it's like an envelope, but I made it so that you can just journal on it, and that tucks inside there. And then this opens another lady. This is a little pocket with a little guest check and a little these shiny pages are all laminated. I just got a new laminator, so I'm kind of laminating everything. You know how that is when you first get something, you got to try it out. So anyway, sorry for voice issues. I'm still having a lot of them. This is from DearJulieJulie's free digital that's on her Scrap All About It with DearJulieJulie. These maple leaves and other leaves are from different summer flowers that I just punched out with my small punches and just made leaves. And so that's that. And then this just comes out. That's a little corner. So that's for that page. And yeah, and then that just goes on into another day. So that's what I did for day 3. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you are doing the challenge along with us. And I hope you will be back for day 4. Thank you for stopping by. Bye now.